I've never done an unboxing video before, so sorry if this is a little stilted, but I'm really excited. I just got this new single barcode reader from AltemisLab, and it's tiny, compact. Hold it in your hand, and all it is here is a barcode reader that will read 2D and 1D barcodes. It plugs in the back with this USB cable, and you have to open up your Excel spreadsheet or LIMS or Google spreadsheet, and then it's supposed to be this simple. You just plug it in. Let's see. Plug it into the USB port, and it's fired up. And then let's see. I'm going to take a 2D barcode tube, and there you go. Let's take a 1D barcode. And there you go. Automation is getting simpler all the time. This thing is really, really cool.